Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see how to print the current date and time using the classic date and time. Before Java 8, how do we print? And after Java 8, so using Java 8 date time API, how to print the date and time. So let's start the code. So I'm creating a new class and naming the class as date time demo. And here I'm writing a main method. Okay, I have written the main method as well. And here, so before Java 8, so we use new simple date format, okay, to print the date and time. So how do we do that? Let's write the code for that. First, we'll create a date object, date equal to new date. So this is how we create a date object. And from this date object, let's do quick fix and import the date. So I'm just saying java.util.date, and from this date I'm just saying sysout date dot sysout so directly before taking the date, we need to create one date formatter as well. So just say date format SDF equal to new simple date format, import date format java.text. So date format SDF equal to new simple date format, and say y slash slash dd colon colon ss. So first what we do is, before Java 8, first we'll create a date format. So date format SDF equal to new simple date format of, here we need to give what date and time format we want to create a date object. Okay. So here we'll say SDF of format of, and to this formatter, okay, SDF dot to this format method, we need to pass the date. So I'll pass the date, if you see here. Now let's run the program and see the output. So if you see here, so this is like 2nd May 2020 and the time is 10:41. Okay, so this is how we print date and time before Java 8. Now let's see how do we do using Java 8. So in Java 8 we have a new API, altogether a new API to print the date and time. So what we do is, we have a class called local date time now equal to local date time dot now. So local date time now equal to local date time dot now. So when we say local date time now equal to local date time dot now, what this now will do? So it obtains the current date time from the system clock in the default time zone. So what is the purpose of this now? It will get the current date time. Now when we say sysout now dot sysout dtf dot SDF dot format of now. So just pass this now object to this SDF. Okay. So this is using Java 8. Using Java 8, how to print date time. Let's run the program and see the output. So if you see here, illegal argument exception, cannot format given object as date. So let's see why we are unable to format the object. So to this date time, okay, to this SDF, instead of SDF.format now, so we are using simple date format. To simple date format, we cannot pass this. We need to create a new date time formatter here. Okay, just to show you why the exception you got. Why? Because we are using SDF. We should not use SDF. Okay, when we use local date time, we should use date time formatter. So date time formatter SDF or DF equal to new date time format, date time formatter DTF equal to date time formatter dot of pattern and just pass here the format which we need to print by slash slash dd and give here colon colon ss, and to this date format just call dot format dot now. Now let's run the program and see the output. If you see, using Java 8, what is the date? 2020 5th May, and what is the time? 10:44:57. So which class we are using? Local date time. So what is the purpose of this local date time? If you see, this is added in, okay, Java 1.8 local date time. So if you see here local date time, so this is like when it got added 1.8. So what is the purpose of this java.time.local date time? So a date time without a time zone in the ISO calendar system such as, okay, so it will contain, this local date time will contain both date and time but without any time zone. So local date time is an immutable date time object that represent a date time often viewed as year, month, day, hour, minute and second. So it will contain what? Year, month, date, hour, minute and second without any time zone. So this is the purpose of this local date time. So this class does not store or represent a time zone. Instead, it is a description of date as used for birthdays combined with the local time. So it cannot represent an instant on the timeline without additional information. So hope you understand how to print a date and time using the local date time object. And now what we will do is we will also print only date without any time. Okay, just we need to give here off pattern, and here if you give the date, only it will print the date. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you understand how to use the date time formatter and the local date time, so even if you see this date time formatter, so this date time formatter also added in which version of Java? The same date time formatter. Here it will be having all the values which are related, what all values we can give to this date time formatter. I mean in this pattern what all format we can give. So even this got added in 1.8. So this is the formatter for printing and parsing date time object. So this class provides the main application entry point for printing and parsing and providing common implementations of date time formatter. So what is the main purpose of this class? So this is the main application entry point for printing and parsing and provides common implementations of date time formatter. So you got it right? how to use the date time formatter and the local date time. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with Krishna Sandeep. Thank you.